Hey guys, how's it going? Kilian from Resident Eatels back in the kitchen again, cooking a beautiful dish with you. And today we're going to attempt recreating the beautiful McGriddles from McDonald's.
The new McGriddles, savory sausage wrapped in sweet griddle cakes.
It is not currently available in Germany anymore. This burger is discontinued for a whole lot of while. I think this is due to there is not really a market for that kind of combination of flavors. Usually in the German cuisine, saltiness, sweetness and sourness or tanginess are separated. There are foods where you will find them together, for example pickled foods or fermented foods, but besides of these there are not really that much recipes, at least to my knowledge, that would really combine these flavors. And one thing is for sure, you would not find anything over here that would combine pork and maple syrup. So that might be the whole explanation why this burger is not available anymore in Germany. But it is an astonishing burger, and I love the simplicity of these kinds of meals. Also, I love to combine these flavors, not only in burgers or sandwiches, but in all sorts of recipes. So for me, this is sort of a no-brainer, and I wouldn't consider myself to be part of the market that wouldn't mix these flavors. So with all that being said, that was a whole lot of words for a whole short of time, for a shortiness of time. I don't even know what I'm talking right now. So we're going to cut the tape here. You guys already know the game. But before we're going to switch to the other camera, make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video so far. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Hit that bell icon so you will get a notification when I'm uploading something new. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram at Resident Eatels. Follow me on Facebook at Resident Eatels. And with all that being said, we are going to switch to the other camera, POV camera, so you get the best possible view. Also we're going to set up a B cam right over here that is filming at a slight angle, so you will get the best possible experience. And yeah, guys, that's it. We're going to switch right now, so see you in a minute. Peace.
Hey guys, how's it going? So first of all, one thing to notice, I preheated the griddle. It is on a relatively low heat setting, around 150 degrees Celsius, which is like 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we are going to mix our pancake mixture. This is super easy, you just have to look on your product packaging what you have to add. In my case it was milk, and I had to shake it for around 3 minutes, and I obviously cut the tape here. Yeah, we don't have to waste our time here. So we are going to use 2 of them. 2 eggs are going into this recipe. Yeah, a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper, just a notch, ever so slightly. yeah. And we're going to add a little bit of ground coriander. I love to do this. It's just a personal thing. You don't have to if you don't want to. But this one I would recommend you, because adding milk to your eggs will make them different. And by different I mean better. It just transforms them into these restaurant style eggs, you know, into these fluffy textured eggs that are so delightful, so juicy. Hey, you guys already know. In the description of each video of me you will find links to the actual products I'm using in each video, and you can go and get it yourself. Do yourself a favor and use the right tools for the right jobs. And one thing to notice, I'm going to remove 1 pancake earlier out of the heart-shaped mold, because we're going to need 4 pieces and I only have 3 of them. So we are going to need 2 pieces of pancakes, 1 piece of egg and 1 piece of sausage. Also, yeah, the heart-shaped form, I decided to go the extra mile here because it is Christmas, and also because I wanted to have a uniform size to my burger. Of course, this is not a necessity, and neither would I recommend doing it unless you're really into it and want to make it that way, because it is a whole lot of more work to do and a whole lot of more hustle while cooking. So I would just throw it on the griddle, and yeah, as easy as that. Just, it doesn't have to be perfect size. I just wanted to do it because I saw these cookie molds, heart-shaped cookie molds, and it was Christmas, so I said, you know what, actually this is a very creative idea to incorporate them in our McGriddle. That was the point I was referring to. Of course, this is cutted, the tape is cutted, so in reality it took a whole lot of more time to remove these pancakes, the egg and the sausage from these heart-shaped molds. So yeah, therefore I'm not quite sure if I would suggest you to go that route unless you really want to, and yeah, make the extra effort. Yeah, especially with the egg, this is a little bit of a complicated adventure because of the thickness of it. You have to cook it for a long time before you're able to flip it in one piece. Also this was risky business because I wasn't 100% sure if I would be able to flip it or if it has to cook for a little bit longer, but I decided to just do it and it went well. Yeah, I just looked on the surface, on the top surface, not the bottom surface of the egg, and when it started bubbling and hardening, then this was my indicator. I used this as an indicator to be able to flip the egg. Now we are going to use a melting dome because I found the cheddar to be relatively thick and I didn't want to enhance the cooking time unnecessarily. Hey, and you guys know the game already. If you're interested in one of my kitchen accessoires, either the spatulas, the knife I'm using, or the melting dome, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to link everything I use in the description down below so you guys have it accessible at your fingertips for your convenience. And yeah, get you set up here.
Okay guys, so here we are with the finished burger and I'm going to dig in because I cannot wait. Look at this beauty of a burger. With all that syrup, we should consider renaming it to McDrip. Honestly, okay, this is amazing. I mean, the egg looks exactly like the pancake. If this isn't something, I don't know. So I'm going to test this right now. We will see if I can have a bite that is big enough to get a piece of everything. So here we are. Oh hell yeah! Okay. Well. Well, okay, you saw it here first. The McDripster, McDrip, McDrippin' Griddle, however you want to call it. This is the Christmas edition. You saw me using the heart-shaped forms for, usually I think it is for cookie dough, but we repurposed it. So thank you guys for watching. Okay guys, I guess that's a wrap. This is a stunning burger, a stunning burger made of simplicity. Of course you don't have to go that extra mile to create heart-shaped pieces of ingredients for this burger. It is way easier to just wing it and just throw in the pancake dough into a pan and do the same with the egg and with the pork sausage. But yeah, I went the extra mile because it is Christmas. So if you enjoyed the video and made it to this point, you should probably consider making this on your own because it is stunning, and I promise you will be satisfied. On top of that, make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and ring the bell icon to get a notification if I upload a new video. And also make sure to head over to my Instagram, give me a follow at Resident Eatels, give me also a follow at Facebook on Resident Eatels, at Resident Eatels. And with all that being said, I guess that's a wrap. Thank you for joining. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Merry Christmas, by the way.